Welcome! In this tutorial, we'll create a project for students using Gemini to create a set of scripts for Google Sheets and Google Docs. Google Apps Script is a powerful tool that allows us to automate repetitive tasks in Google Sheets and Docs. Let's get started with a project overview. Our project involves creating custom student notebooks, appending assignments, and managing the assignment template sheet using AppScript. We will use Gemini to streamline the process of generating the required app scripts to create student notebooks and efficiently manage assignments. This will save a teacher time and allow her to manage the student notebook from the master spreadsheet. Our first script, onOpen, creates a custom menu that allows us to easily run the other scripts. When the spreadsheet is opened, a student notebook menu will be added to the menu items of the Google Sheet. This menu can be used to run the scripts. This script generates a Google Doc notebook for each student using a template. The script iterates through student data in the main sheet, and for each student, a new document is created from the template. Each new document is named with the student's name, and the new doc URL is written to the main sheet. The append assignment script will append a new date to each student document, followed by the new assignment table. First, the script will append today's date as a heading 1 to each document for clear organization. Then, we'll append a table of data from the assignment template sheet to the end of each student's document. This script creates a copy of the assignment template sheet, renames it, and clears its contents. We'll make a copy of the template sheet, ensuring the original remains untouched. We'll increment the name of the copied sheet so that subsequent assignments are labeled sequentially. Finally, we'll clear the contents of the original assignment template sheet, making it ready for the next set of assignments. With these Google Apps scripts, we can efficiently create student notebooks, manage assignments, and archive completed. Let's recap the scripts we created. onOpen for menu creation, create student documents for notebook generation, append assignments for adding dates and data, and backup and erase for template management. App scripts streamline student notebook creation, assignment management, and template handling, making it easier for both students and educators to stay organized and productive.